Welcome, creators and aspiring storytellers. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of CapCut, a video editing powerhouse that's making professional-level editing accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking for a streamlined workflow or just starting your video journey, CapCut offers a surprisingly robust set of tools that can elevate your content from good to truly captivating. Think of CapCut as your creative co-pilot. It's designed to be intuitive, meaning you can jump right in and start experimenting without feeling overwhelmed. The interface is clean and user-friendly, allowing you to focus on bringing your vision to life. One of its standout features is the sheer variety of editing options available. From precise trimming and cutting to adding dynamic transitions and eye-catching effects, CapCut puts a professional toolkit right at your fingertips. Let's talk about some game-changing tips to unlock CapCut's full potential. First, explore the vast library of royalty-free music and sound effects. The right audio can dramatically shift the mood and impact of your video, and CapCut makes it incredibly easy to find the perfect track to complement your visuals. Don't underestimate the power of sound design. Next, experiment with the animated text and sticker options. These aren't just decorative. They can be used to highlight key information, add personality, or even guide your viewers' attention. Play around with different styles and timings to see how they can enhance your storytelling. For those looking to add a polished touch, dive into the color correction and filter tools. Subtle adjustments can make a world of difference, bringing out the best in your footage and creating a consistent aesthetic across your videos. CapCut offers a range of presets, but also allows for manual tweaking, giving you complete control. And here's a pro tip: utilize the speed adjustment tools. Slow motion can add drama and emphasis to key moments, while time lapses can effectively condense longer periods into engaging segments. Mastering these can add a professional flair that truly sets your videos apart. CapCut also excels in its ability to handle multiple video layers, allowing for picture-in-picture effects, split screens, and more complex compositions. This opens up a world of creative possibilities for tutorials, vlogs, and even short films. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different features and see what resonates with your creative style. CapCut is a platform that encourages exploration, and the more you play with it, the more you'll discover its hidden gems. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of CapCut. I hope this introduction has inspired you to pick up your phone or open your editor and start creating. The power to tell your story visually is within reach, and CapCut is an excellent companion on that journey. If you found this helpful, consider following for more tech insights and creative tips.